If you want to make your own manga but don't have thousands of dollars to spend on commissions, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to be showing you guys a budget-friendly AI workflow for manga creators that can handle character design, covers, and even full story panels, just by describing what you want in plain English. The reality is making manga has always been expensive. As we all know, even at the lower end, a single page can cost anywhere from $50 to $300 depending on the artist. So if you're trying to create a full chapter, that cost adds up fast. And on top of all of that, you need consistent character designs, covers, panel composition, and even extra assets like promotional art or chibi versions. Now, before AI, most of these costs were unavoidable, but now there are tools specifically built for manga creators that can reduce a lot of that workflow, if you're using the right kind of tool, of course. Now, one of those tools is Mio.2, which is part of the PixAI ecosystem. Now, what makes this interesting is that it's not just an image generator. It's more like a conversational workflow system. You don't need perfect prompts or technical knowledge. You can start with a rough idea, refine it step by step, and build everything in one place. And instead of jumping between tools, everything happens in one single flow. Character design, scene creation, covers, all connected. So let me walk you through a few workflows that show how this actually works in practice. Now, the first one is character design, as we mentioned, which is honestly the foundation of any manga. If your character isn't consistent, everything falls apart. The prompt here is very simple. Make a dark elf magic swordsman with a detailed character reference sheet on a white background. Now, what you get is a full character sheet. Front view, side angles, back view, with all the details filled in automatically. Armor, weapon design, hairstyle, proportions. Everything is consistent and ready to use. And this is important because normally you'd need to commission a character designer for this. Here, it becomes something you generate and refine in just minutes. This character sheet becomes your anchor for everything else. Now, the second workflow is generating a full cast. Instead of creating characters one by one and risking style inconsistency, you can generate multiple characters together with a prompt like 3 characters from another world, Korean manhwa style, white background. Now you get a group of characters that share the same art style, proportions, and visual tone. That's something that's surprisingly hard to maintain manually, even with real artists. But here it's handled automatically in one pass. Next is something every manga needs, a cover. Using a prompt like, make a cover of a manga with these 3 people. Put the title cool. The system generates a full cover composition with character placement, lighting, and even a title design. And if you want to adjust it, you don't need to rewrite a complex prompt. You just describe the change, like make it more dramatic or change the color tone, and it updates automatically. This is where the conversational aspect really stands out. It feels less like prompting and more like directing. Now comes the most important part, the actual story panels. The prompt here is, draw a story where a girl finds a magic book in an abandoned library and is drawn into another world. Be conscious of camera work. Now, what happens is that the system breaks this down into a sequence. You get multiple panels, each with a different camera angle, wide shots, close-ups, reaction shots, all arranged in a way that feels like an actual manga page. And the thing here is consistency, because the same character appears across all panels with the same design, same outfit, same proportions, and that's usually one of the hardest parts of manga creation, honestly. Even small details like camera direction and handled automatically. You'll see variation in angles without needing to specify each shot manually. And finally, there's a workflow that's more on the promotional side, chibi assets. And with a prompt like chibi version sticker of the previous character with white background, you get a stylized chibi version of your character, often with multiple expressions. These are perfect for social media, stickers, or community engagement. And normally you'd need to separate artists just for this style. What makes this workflow work so well is that everything is connected. The system remembers your character, so you're not starting from scratch each time. So, stepping back, having known all of this, and what this really shows is that you can go from idea to a full set of manga assets, character sheets, cast, cover, panels, and even promotional art, all within a single workflow. And you don't need to be an expert at prompting at all. You don't need expensive tools. You just need the idea. That doesn't mean this replaced artists. If you're aiming for a fully hand-drawn, polished final product, artists are still essential. But for planning, prototyping, storytelling, or even building your first chapter, this kind of workflow removes a huge barrier. So, if you're a solo creator with a story to tell, or someone who's been putting off manga idea because of the cost, this is definitely worth exploring. You can try Mio.2 on PixAI using the link in the description down below. They have a free tier, so you can test everything out without paying anything upfront. Keep that in mind, and also I'm curious, if you're working on a manga idea, which part would save you the most time? The characters, the panels, or the full story sequence? Definitely make sure to comment down below because I definitely want to see your comments and your thoughts regarding all of this. Having said that, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching it today, and I'll see you all in the next one.